China has agreed to allow U.S. health experts into the country as part of a World Health Organization mission to study and help fight the fast-spreading coronavirus. The number of cases in China has surpassed 20,000, and the number of deaths jumped by a new single-day record, up by 64 to 425. Now, far from the epicenter of the outbreak in Wuhan, about 800 kilometers to be precise, more cities in Zhejiang province have been placed on lockdown. People's movements are now restricted in Daichou and parts of Hangzhou and Ningbo. Now, this comes after similar measures were imposed in Wenzhou on Sunday. And as you can see, all this is happening closer and closer to the financial hub of Shanghai. Zhejiang has more than 800 cases already, and most outside of Hubei province. A South Korean woman, meantime, has tested positive for the coronavirus after visiting Thailand, but officials say that it's too soon to conclude just where she was infected. That's because she returned home on the 19th of January, and at that time, Thailand only had 2 confirmed cases. Authorities are still trying to trace her movements. South Korea has 16 cases so far, several of them by human-to-human transmission. Meantime, Malaysia has confirmed its first citizen to be infected with the new coronavirus. He's one of 2 new cases, taking the country's total now to 10. The 41-year-old came to Singapore last month for a meeting with colleagues from China, including one from Wuhan. He only showed symptoms about a week after returning to Malaysia. Japan has quarantined a cruise ship carrying nearly 4,000 people. That's after a former passenger was diagnosed with the virus. The 8-year-old man disembarked 10 days ago in Hong Kong before testing positive. The Diamond Princess is now anchored off Yokohama, and everyone on board is being checked. Now, those with symptoms or who got off in Hong Kong or had close contact with the infected passenger are being tested for the virus. Taiwan will deny entry to all foreigners who have been to mainland China during the past 14 days from Friday. Taiwan's foreign ministry says that the new travel restriction is due to the increasing threat from the coronavirus outbreak. Taiwan has so far reported 10 cases of the virus. The island has also notched up its rhetoric with Beijing over its exclusion from the World Health Organization during the virus outbreak, but the WHO says that Taiwan has been getting the information it needs. So let's check on the global spread of the coronavirus cases thus far. Thailand reported 6 new infections today, taking the total to 25. Now, that is the most number of cases outside of China. Singapore is behind with 24. Hong Kong reported 2 new infections, as well as its first death, as mentioned. Malaysia also confirmed 2 more cases.